Welcome to Adam Auto Group, Chicago's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great in our collection. A pre-owned 2016 Land Rover Range Rover. This Land Rover is powered by 4-wheel drive, 5.0-liter engine, automatic transmission, and has 105,011 miles. Experience luxury and adventure with our 2016 Land Rover Range Rover. Second-hand but maintained in top condition. Perfect for off-road enthusiasts who love comfort. Grab this affordable offer now. This pre-owned Range Rover comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, keyless entry, AC, power windows, power locks, power seats, power mirrors, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, heated rear seats, push-button start, alloy wheels, ground view camera, climate control, power tailgate, cooled seats, seat position memory. To keep you entertained, this Land Rover Range Rover is equipped with touch screen, Bluetooth, navigation, head-up display, smart device integration. Safety was put first by the following features: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, lane departure warning, tire pressure monitoring system, adaptive cruise control, adaptive headlights, backup camera, ABS brakes, lane keep system, park assist, active safety system, daytime running light. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.